tafo opsi scoreboard pap no na afi krono opsi krono ba yaro owa oye juma boama ne ma da diere manti eye na aba abadin to na aba de dodo na eba be hia mu no ade amanable fast food and be ena wo so to nka from no omoba eba be di wudwuma boama bibia ededa ye kama pan so no etimi ede ema montina daroma ye roma ye bomode ne aye dwuma ne timi rama African origin travels and sports tourism yezine Morocco Ju 23 afkono ye robako skakuma bi na otwa ne ye wako akwako rado mo wenye no ko amasa bomode a sports vacation rabat 2023 eno eya attach ukwa yerobe na Morocco mpatemo wabo ni akoma nya bomode agwani amanema koyie pre timiera amantu dia ene se 5000 Ghana cedi ne obomode na watwie timiera ato utwiare to ebe na ya hyase etimi ede aye ntoto no a process o niama na timiera amao na sports tourism package no senate or visa application support no visa fee no accommodation no transportation na fee no a flight ni no mere na ya bomode de wudwume timiera mo 5000 Ghana cedi pe ena bomode timiera hyase enti ya wie ni nyina no na de aka no nya bomode etimiera so omubu ejuma panti no akwanya ne do mazo bezo tu kwanko ekora mo bebi ti se Colombia Nicaragua bebi ti se UK France Germany Italy Spain na fe opeso to o Belize akwanya na betimiere amase robeko na ne ma koyie pere amana bosumi we na ewom no ne de to so aduno na chese 20th June we de ko ekokoramo 15th July 2023 no me patro Africa origin travels and sports tourism do ko akwa koramu na wabujuma na ne ma koyie pere amada di arama odobeko na hihye no nya da yeso etimiere amana oba de hia ne so obebo modem yetimi afa passport birth certificate Ghana card eno nko a ana be hia no mabɔ modem de ahye process na se na ne ma de di pere amount ne ma bi ase a fa number 0302 766 766 0302 766 766 na 0544 322 112 0544 322 112 and 0544 347 002 0544 347 002 now for 0544 348 003 0544 348 003 na ya mwana ne mande da yepa etimi emfa mana ntetem so no maami nkom na memfa nsem ngo emfa ema dia yediki aka say the Black Meteors National na 23 eguso prepare cinema be da ye pretimera mo mezanse nche yehwe na yerom na 24 June no Afcon U23 no yakwa akobo ewo Morocco mpatom yerze benya qualification na Paris 2024 yakwa koje na so Olympic Games ni mu munkomo no ne Ghana etimi agba yankofa kensie baako oromo pramprama eje na so ebomode etimi eye ntutueni ya ene onkuti ye bomeka mienso mo entimi ante Daniel Fie bane penalty eno convert enu echi no ena Godwin Bentel ebomode 2 goals nso no ne kan wan nema ekoye kama pretimi element to join na hra onze ne goalkeeper friend Jordan Yamwa Amisa wababa be rama ne ono ne da post ni mo oda post ni no boejuma ebomode kipu clean sheet a ni nyina mo ne boama ne ma deda ye pa etimi erema man Ghana na ne wo se de ne mesi ekona Daniel Fie bane ono so abomode ababa be rama camp a ne boy no otimi enya agua ni nyina mo ne boa amane ma de diera mo na boa no coach Ibrahim Tanko abomode amnemu 29 man lister omuna ni omaba ababa be rama omo na ya boabomo enti Danlad Ibrahim ni dino nye rama yo William Esu emese no emfoso kakra ne rama Ibrahim Aziz Dari Dominic Isobila Emmanuel Apau yewo Ashikwe ebi nso no nyete se Samaria Abbas Hafiz Ibrahim and I was Sylvester Simba Godfred Opokuwaki Augustine Randolph ebi also te se Abrantia ye friend Ebenezer Dai Emmanuel Ajay and our face who run now rested in Yama City. Yewo Aaron Essel, yewo David upon Afrane, na Mapapa Fatue Ebenezer, Najaze Adai, anti, sa prepeni sieti or no Dreams FC. Your Fatau Ishaku, Amanone Foni Binono, Ishaku Bujumere Sporting Club de Portugal, and Estuniama FC Neugeland. And your Daniel Fie Bane, FC Zurich, your Jordan Emisa, Ojamubu Jumaire Sheffield United, Zuberu Ibrahim, Najazorwani, Echemu Ewo Zeb Sebia, Horono Sono Ebujma, Ebuamanema Kuye Predmom around for the Abua Cornes Dolpha, and so Germany, Manuel CM Switzerland, Nathaniel Ajay, Elsu Jamubu Juma Sweden Patamo, Edmond Akumensa, FC Honka. Na just also Ebujma, Ebuamanema de Diedemano Nafino, Terry Yagbe. And so Eramu Emmanuel Jeboa, your Kamadin Sulemana, Salim Adams ena Kwejo Poku Mahala na just US Mpatemono no so ne wo to check your foreign based players ne nya kra no your best mako nkono edi ramudu ane yato nsa from so momra emma me jet list ne 29 ye be hwan so nya yibi mu afim yesi ne ma deda dia Ghana ye rese ache ano joda we no ye bebu aketeme fi Ghana de ani ache mo Egypt ne akọ boaboe ho enna no be se mako edumiensa ansa na tournament no ehya ase yakọ na yakọ akojama boa ama ne ma deda di Black Stars for ne bi mu abejuma owesere ne City ane Kamaldeen Sulemana Ramford ye boa Conis Dolfa ena fe Ernest Niama na no de a ye to nsa fe na waba be no ono so ne di ewram o munyina ebe ka won na o ma boejuma na aboa na ne ma koyi pre timi era ma o man Ghana enti no so ye nkomo kakra baba betodwa me di ewram kama so no etimi ede ama na hyehye no etimi adeda din na ye mfi one enko di nkomo na ye resere ne mesi eti a the Ghana Football Association yazine the GFA Status Review Committee no a propose se ne ma deda din a ye makwan nanka na akunya kese na etraso ze penfo no nka okoni mienu na wafim no ye omo se nka ye makwan na yenyi mfi mienu no enkonkwa ne miensa eno ye reporter ene no the Status Review Committee no yezi no ne propose omo de aba betum no na after no omo so omo san de atum ze nka omo behwe ze nka ne ye ntoto ye nanka ye wo vice president ba ko a oye adwumadi ma efi no enka no so yenye ne mienu na ye no yesi ye bema ba ko ayoba na bakwa ye bema ena afi ne no esco members na ewo no eno zo nka yempagya mu kakra na mfi 12 na nko 23 edem ze congress ne ba no ne se de hon community no ensem bi bubo de ba no edempa de no enkoma the Ghana Football Association the Status Review Committee no abomodi ane yese ya de o ma proposal a eno so no enam koma bubo de ba ano edempa pa FC Lon a confirming the we ya ze Ghana ni be friend Abdul Salih Samit abomodi etimi extending the contract no until 2028 no or tramuna wabojuma na waboa manema deda ye pa etimi edi amano ntia no yenkoma omonso na di aba betuje rametimi era mana masira kese ne nko emfa mama mia be na mabana maba beto ansem no so etimi era ma kama pa na entutua na daditi abe Herbal Clinic eni oyebema wayemra wompemu wadini so a obre no wapejamu na aboa na nema deda din otimi mbo adwuma emode da ya mepa cho mama be ebibidu nkonti obere na wetimi ere account oye oba so na fie ono niam anshara de dey obere na mfie ono wa ma ho atwa yo pozo e baby girl I was so tinka I was so siesie mfie baby ye de eya akono na eboa na nema de dey pa etimi ere ma nyina abe na jeze mame abe bo mode edi hudwuma eboa man hyehye no ekoye kama pa etimi ere man diro mu no hwe na ba no oba be wo zenia man anshara de dey ya na ha dwen kakra na mo amekwa ama no so na meni nkomo kakramra na mezi edu amanfonso ani akai anom na many Kofi Manu Blue Boy. Wonderful na bibi aboko de.
Yes sir.
Na wonderful ezi aso wa utimbo for akwata na rera ma ba ababebo Premier League bi the next season 2023-2024. Ye bonzo mu gina ma mu ye adwuma menim kakra be kan de afa no wansa na yakwa anim.
Yo. Woni se me ya mamre de me ni ho agro. Woni aduru asante mani say dia na was udi kanebo shi ko opim sofi na kochia no asante manwura na wochia na atranko nyanyina kam ni honti no ma menchia obibia na mentane moshi nkodoma nchia abia na PSC sajefo kocha ubuisa no de asema wo kane nenko we say eba so dada na nyankopon no kanin sense nyame mmere ene mmere pa mmere na so se bo kwata no at least because you say last year no we but now so osheni ambrema nemi beji because these are the people who made Bofakwa and Bra for proud. It is a never Bofakwa but premier yeah nije seme say even though I'm not a Bofakwa fan but if you say once it is Sunyane ebe animated Sunyane no dear we all have to embrace it and make sure say they remain. But make an same way. So for better, who say Giamu Moko Kua, a Wubu Arehuma. A Gian Crofobin fire, so it's the 1 year team you 01D, 01A, without any special regulation, young couple, and that qualification is the bono. Now, me assure I'm out for the next 3 years. Bono, bring another 3 teams account.
Bravo, Mate. Oh, but the division where the Zebi Braba. And the Zebi Braba. Because and now crown after when no teams in our arena. I'm answer now. Brekumas and any other teams in home of faith in the almost be an playoff be. Ebeba be Rama ma. I as a clubs and also Cocoa Pike across the channel Muchi.
When they divided the apprentices, I say, no. Me catch one say, maybe anyone say, you bet me the one division 1. Number according, you divide me, no. Ama, we bonnet the uncle, we bonnet the uncle. Nanya extra war. I don't know, I'm for this is through. So when I watch what buy you, be a man with the Uswa, who feels or the way aqua. What am I mean? More Article 7. Number of clubs, champion and the demotion. 7-3. There shall be first and second rounds of the league on home and away basis. They sat in zone 1 and played 4 rounds, 2 homes, 2 away. Now, I want to have a mobile be doing so now. I'm family. One kata. Okay, I say the back as a playoff at and then one fire a Tamale City, a madam. Tamale City, but down here, places only, mediama, so, or you for quite a year, at least on your draw, or so I for quite a year, Lusua became winner, became after one winning. And you know, what's the whole complaint? I hear you, yes, customer, Nipa, the Uti, now it's slow. Young come for us, I'll be slow, Nipa.
One of Yanko Nina Yahweh, Nane, sorry, I'm sorry, a dorsal party, Yanko and Nimni and Sanre, the other ones, and almost at the Ghana Football Association Status Review Committee. No, as you know, my proposes a baby a kikakono, as them rather a DA Juma H. The we call first term, call second term, and running man of coins or Bessia Ababi Romno, almost a beya, a caneno yenny, yenny term, infant female, then come and sa. And no switchino, say man penina casatia cunano so ye jumano, and can advise in yen or Baba Comba Mishim, and I executive council members and also no, a muso numbers in our form kakra, the can also no, yen peja from 12, then Coco Romo 23. Meaning, za proposal we are based here about Congress, I say Baba be doing common idea. Now, one ranu ni mupana, a boy any, we all 3 times a day, Amazon wedding kakra.
My mention 3 last one. There you increase it from 12 to 20, saying 2. Now, me persemi busa the microphone say. And yet, the microphone can't say. Lawyer Dofoli, until Dofoli. I Company Act 2019, Act 992, Section 171, say. Company the anyone board of directors, I was say April 12. I feel about the summer. Well, Ghana for we have to be the officer with your name seem to one that's an actual work with him. I don't answer it. They are talking about terms. Let me read the terms I war here at the same. That is Article 37, Executive Council. Paragraph 4. Ghana na umakane ye drintino ye bibi ananse ye. And the mandate of the president, the vice president and members of the executive council shall be a term of 4 years. Their mandates shall immediately begin after the end of the Congress, which has elected them. No person shall serve as president for more than 2 terms of office, whether consecutive or not. Any other member of the Executive Council, including the Vice President, may serve for not more than 3 terms of office. If the President can serve 2 terms, the Executive Council, as our President, serve not more than 3 terms of office whether consecutive or not. As we sit here, executive council members, Baya Kokwata Mayan Kotuaba, then carry Sabawi. By Congress on 27, at the end of Congress 27, they are all out of office, whether there is an election or not. I continue to read. Paragraph 4, and some of my cover be Paragraph 4, any partial term beyond 24 months shall count as a full term. I repeat, any partial term beyond 24 months shall count as a full term. Now, their term was for 4 years. Then, our next ordinary Congress, 27th of July, as they have put there. Indeed, they would have served more than 3 years. And it is more than 24 years, 24 months. Now, you go to Congress, ordinary Congress agenda, Article 32. Article 32, paragraph 2. And the agenda for a meeting of ordinary Congress shall include the following mandatory items in chronological order. The following mandatory items. They were called 2. Kill election of the president. So, Jacob 27, mandatory, an item for election of president must be there. Are we preparing ourselves towards that? Already 24 was serving more than 24 months.
Mm-hmm.
After Congress, the only time opening another ordinary Congress is next year. So you cannot continue to serve when you have not been re-elected. And you don't need to surprise your opponents. Let me sign this signal to them. Semreaso, I am Rano Trese. Semreno Besona Sawasevu, about 24 months, it is considered as a term. At the end of Congress 27 July, which is an ordinary Congress, their term of office has elapsed, especially the president. And let me tell them, anybody who continues to be there, we will remove him. If we need to even bring soldiers to come and kick him out of office, we will do that. We must be seen as people who respect the laws of Ghana and our own association laws. Let me repeat that clause, Article 30. Oh, he put say, no be anko kase kofi mo no die. 37. Panye draft one ko carry view. 37 4. Hey, executive council no. Article 4 no, udremu kana ba bia ho de no. At the any partial term beyond 24 months shall count as a full term. It is what serve for more than 36 months. Now, many trying for self-organize it. Now, you know, sir, we can only do elections of president at ordinary Congress. And it is mandatory. Now, you will June 6th, June 8th. Oh, yeah, what the election of president. Katokrepu should be ready. After 27, about Pakinama to the office. About the Ghana Mraya Juma. Those surrounding him who are confusing him, no. That's on the one, no. And again, they are proposing amendment. No laws in Ghana takes retrospective effect. And he said, I was a woman that didn't end the 27. Amendment. It cannot take retrospective effect. You are supposed to leave. opanyini ameka ne pese no no.
Na wonderful komo ya on yedi wa church e mam ya hu say dem ran city e. But they said all can after Congress no juma die bia odi bia na wo sorry to say na ya to aba. But ebi mo so kaza as a road map na ye dey kwa di anim kan me akwa akoto aba na ze a chedodo menim ze what is an commodity ni bia.
This is what I'm talking about. They are not reading the status which we have voted them to be custodians. And Kabana, you through election year, say no. I was a president, who no general secretary, executive council member, Mwafa, Wako, Article 31, ordinary Congress. What is Congress? Ordinary Congress, then you look at it. No, Article 30, elections. What is entailed in elections? Then you read. Me, for almost about 3 months in it, I've been reading, particularly Article 30 and 31. That deals with ordinary Congress, what items are mandatory to appear in the minutes, any elections of and the terms of office. If you are for it, they might be because my mom says that I know that for a roadmap. And our elections are sent so crowd, baby. And finally, you Article 30 on paragraph M10, 37, no? Article 30, paragraph 10. Let me read you all through. Article 30, paragraph 10. Added, candidates for any of the available positions of the Executive Council shall be sent to the GFA Secretariat at least 30 days before the relevant elective Congress. The official list of candidates must be passed to members of the GFA at least 10 days before the Congress of which the Executive Council will be elected. The provisions of these paragraphs shall also apply when elections take place during an extraordinary Congress. Now, candidates, it means filing of nomination and vetting and everything should be done. Me send the name of candidates to the Secretariat by election committee 30 days to the Congress, which is the elective Congress. Once start filing of nomination, once start vetting, can you meet the 30 days to 27th of July to submit list of candidates who will contest the election, particularly for the presidency? And no dear, the whole bomb. We are only in year, Article 31, mandatory item on the agenda. And it's a what you hope. Now, we are lawyer for now, I watch the Ghana Football Association, and you work with Shia Kuya. Wabetrasonia open all year. Inside July, will be able to say Mara or Ghana. Now, Marano so be a human. Me no can tell you, one said, I'm out for home. But that is the law. They have Marano Bay, and Nancy, and they say blackmailer, extortionist, terrorist, investigative terrorist, and I see in the group where my home. Camera Bakoyatwa, they say, actually, let you home. Maybe I make you.
Mate, what church mama Yatini Manasepa? Your president, Ucheki Juma wa born the first time ya was says and Abeman present is saying.
A Juma Wabo. Mammy, kind as even show. Sir, we are president. What Juma I was saying yet. They say, Uber supervise your friend is a secretariat or. But can we be the army and my canal free constitution? Okay. Article 41. Article 41, paragraph 2B. 41, paragraph 2B. Added. We started from you. No, can it? Added. The president, president represents GFA legally. 2, he is primarily responsible for B, ensuring the effective functioning of the bodies of GFA in order that they achieve the objectives described in this status. C, most importantly, supervising the work of the GFA Secretariat. Now, Opanini, you will come here, the Wabani. Let me read portions of the CAF's decision. Oko page 1.
Mm-hmm.
Page 1, and for the last but one paragraph, added. In support of its claims, the FRMF, that is Morocco Football Federation, provided the disciplinary board with some evidence from the class for which 2 players played, and this clearly showed discrepancies between the ages they were supposed to have. The next paragraph. The Ghana Football Association, hearing after the GFA, was given the opportunity to defend themselves against the said claim by providing the board with a written response. Here, the GFA did not provide a statement within the course of these disciplinary proceedings. Then you go to last but one page. Under considered. Added. 3. Paragraph 3. Added, the disciplinary board recalls that the GFA has not provided any statements in the framework of the present disciplinary procedure, nor any evidence to refute the arguments alleged in the reports included in the protest, which indicates discrepancies in the age of the players. 5. In view of the above, the disciplinary board concludes that the violation of Article 44 of CAF WAFCON regulation, as well as Article 135 of CAF Disciplinary Code, has been established, and that GFA should be sanctioned accordingly. Now, listen. Decision. Suspend both players for 1 year. Ban the GFA from participating in the next 2 editions of the FIFA Under 17 World Cup African qualifiers. Impose a financial sanction of $100,000 upon your federation. Now listen. Legal action. This decision can be contested before CAF appeal board. The party intending to appeal shall announce its intention in writing within 3 days of notification of the decision. If the last day of the term limit coincides with a public holiday in the country of residence, the term limit will expire the next day, which is not a public holiday. You only make your intention of going to appeal 3 days. The next one is reasons for the appeal shall be given in writing within a further term limit of 7 days, commencing upon the expiry of the first term limit of 3 days. The deposit mentioned in Article 58 of the CDC must be paid to CAF, blah, blah, blah. The appeal is invalid without relevant deposit within the relevant term limit. The decision becomes final at the expiry of the appeal deadline. So if you are president of an association like Ghana Football Association, you protest here. Protest in the you indicate here on the field of play, Emma, who your friend is captain, a sign. They have sent the written protest submission with evidence to CAF. CAF has sent it to you. As a president who supervises the activities at the secretariat, you could not make sure they respond to these protests. Then, Nkwadami you ban for 1 year. Yasana ban every 2 consecutive editions of World Cup qualifiers. Yasana fine $100,000. Now, after that, they gave you 3 days to indicate an appeal. You did it. Another 7 days to submit your written appeal. You did it. You had 10 days. Actually says you concede, and I said, what year to? So why you born here? Na say why you born here? Sa born here kasi we etia Ghana mana ko san kwadano date of birth. Ama ye ho akere ya. You have to continue to be in office.
Wonderful.
It's not everybody there so.
I wonderful. I said we dey anu edi na me say na nkomo na no. Mesa na what also that from because I'm not yiba na anu edi pa.
I say every time I say Ghana football, you see what is saying. You put time and know you for kwasa. You can't see one here for prison. And yet, me the can be say. So people about the Ghana Football Association yet to send an idea and the late organizer. Never say you will late that claim. Then it started Ghana Amateur Football Association over here chairman. And yet to click one layer on Tobama, yet to Obama. Na yenu mubidi suru yen suru ye beka no kreno na ye kan ye de mrano kan di na taro
ante wonderful medate pa nomre to the messi abana ya to aso why
medate de me chia busia fo nyina
dia busia fo jo so dia no ye Kofi Manu Blue Boy ni akwa wa cheche na mu kama pa da abram na me zensem ne de ode dodo na e na ba Real Tamale United yes still players no no money o manhia anko din komo bia ti training no so manko eno ye reporter amate no say still boys and say o man for musika momo a ball no mo mbo Sunday ti eno ye de amate no ti me say abram ni ani komo akra na ye hwe na be say sem na ebobo de ba na say the nimi si ko no ye football na no I don't know na pe de Blue Boy kan am say ni mumra no say the city o bat ye mbeze de be ye adwuma
abu interesting times me didi nkomo bi enra about the Ghana Football Association or my intentions the mo person mo ye na me di to me say to me wo hoya na se power we wan hwe ni ye betima control no na be control
oh okay
power wo we to me we ogro ho betima control ntina eto de bi obi ko ba bishop akoya de obi timi hwe na nim anu aka kire se wo susu so
yeah
ain't mean dia de na di ntimi because wan hwe ni ye ne be do se me no be control
how
ana tembi ano susu no ne yakwa so ne be preaching na nyame ya show nkomo be sikani ube esi ba nyame na nkasa ni bize ahwe di scan ma wa asa this time de obe yon ho no ahwe scan de be control enyo na beti ma control ade kodie no ti won fama. These are things that are nature intimacy sano and a law of life, rules of life. Iti se efe ni bejinem na me hu se bi ma sha se e kasi e pet e extended time ni enye ne 3 times. I'm not surprised because I didn't bromo so no ma hu odi intimi. It signifies one thing. Current regime no ma hu odi intimi push.
Sa na hu.
Ade bia wa hu odi intimi bia the chronic control.
Sa.
Yes, it is the FA seat and the power that is with it and the control to do that. Because am I ni brefo? Am I person kunya? Am I hu no bia se obi antimi no rocky shoulders. Inti e sha se ye mpese ye beko ye pese ye ko no post moving by intent. Now there has been a proposal where the ESCO have sat down and watched this to happen. Say enko tete. I don't know how a politicians in the city because minister omoko blaster adwuma no moko ebibia mo ho no mbe fansa no mo de akọ. I'm begging you, some of these things also mutimu de mo na sifu na mo mamra ya adwuma. Ye bimbre bi atwam. Ni ye no. Yenya president odi for a long period of time. There was no competition in and around him. It got to a time power corrupted him. I may name me sure senke maybe anko hu yanko twen hu free san yo mo bibrebe no. Kenya baby o no, any baby o sisi. Kasabi Kebia Keka president. We should do some things to step in. And sadly, we see a football administrators name Mane Tenasi and a Tenasi. Emane Kosu no more GBB2. And you ye no. I'm saying this on authority here. Sabi, why we have football administrator be able complaining about anything beyond. I'm trying and your papa between you anymore.
What
I'm serious. Why your football administrator be able to be send your man because you people go there and you go and vote. And then you want to go to about. It's okona akɔtɔ aba no na abɛtena na abɛyɛ no okona akɔgye tum na abɛsu kyerɛ one and few so sabi bɔn na amoyɛ no yɛ tamochi na yɛso yɛ ka ho bi obi a stakeholder for Ghana football ba mo na mo di animu because emu sika na mo de yɛ de ɛyɛ mo de yɛ na ayɛ tie kyerɛ so presem betime nya ne yɛ panya ne o ma firi kyerɛ ba mo so kɔ na mo ko take decisions bi a on chiri one and gabi ma and on besu ala Sompa Sports. Oh yes, mu besu ma football administrators mi si mu besu ma obi afi mu because mu na nkasa no mu mpɛ no kore ye tena se ama ye football na ye basa se ya ye tena se am ye football no aye basa se ya. Nobody has given us a tangible reason. Didn't you Abu, they should give us a tangible. Didn't you pan yeti kromo say? No about the catcher say ye the proposal to a pastor say per se the third term count. Didn't you for third term count? I just want to understand.
O ebi a come you na niam abu a enso.
Abu se niam abu ho a enso a onwuma pa. Abu onwuma pa. Ene oni ya wa ye gu on obi fufro bo nipa cross ba beto aso no nipa cross so abon ho body aye de ato aso. So why are you scared? No reason, a minimum reason I remember me about my test I do because if we need continuity, we need honesty. There's never going to be a continuity without honesty. Yent me into a so brand credit ni afa. Roadmap ben at that one my year who say way a developmental plan a year we babe twice one away babe yediako. Osi and discuss it 3 times. At this rate. Ghana is too hot. Ghana eshe do. Kronuma eshe. Problem is woni paso do so do. Munya de mo cheche no kra na ebufu time.
Awme amate ma memfa apostle wie na ye hwani ye page mu na em ze komo ne se de ne si kono. Abozo bram kakra na blue boy abomodin awira ma cheche mra no se de city after congress no oye panyinsi ato aba use on a football association president sa emra no any certain sheni sisi any pedi onu kra no ni tumi ni bi yes ya san to aba and yes anete
well that is I mean idea 2019 G2
so
that's how it is your Mondays is tell me about area so
okay
election should have been part of the Congress.
Okay
I mean black and white in the FA now shisham so yes will be ne kana rano the constitution of the Ghana for now would transfer the do so that is what is
ibenya nkaba na yebeto a ye Congress na na eshim
it's like part of the ordinary Congress. Yes,
fantastic.
Yes, extraordinary Congress and to ordinary Congress.
Okay,
to be another ordinary Congress you are next year.
Wow.
So they say about to the next year. So you see we are seeing Ankasano Ndebi America sir Bibini especially Ubehu ni Subaya Sika ana se wanya kwenya bia edin fa so bi breno ana nyonyam breno otiechi na onyanya ya ne so ne kasa is different. That's exactly what we are seeing today.
And easier cause.
Yeah, but ya say around the Abbey War, and then that is where my problem is. Very good friend, personal friend, very intelligent guy. Meaning say be your canomuntia because you see me share the executive council is the most experienced there.
Yes.
I'm a more the most experienced. And here say he should know better. Fredachi on the Congress grounds, he was one of the guys that were leading the discussion Randy. So you expect that Onoso should know better. But you see, the challenge is that about part of the world, every president name do baby to be no a share ni same we are One year careful cry, only a juba can maybe I saw show Casabu. Oh, Casa so now so June position appointments in the mount. That's what the problem is. And you'll be an work could do. You're paying for be brave. The reason why I'm more money and coin kind of good animasi from even Mampenny to all the other places because of the people around them.
Kofu Chomu Wishano.
Nyombenye Dinio Mufu.
The Oyard and
So Beckano Crenana, Ebema were losing the onion and the young
and Obi Chantros.
Trade this. That's where the problem is. Because every way doesn't make sense. Now, Mranankasa, Yato Abama, I feel our first 10 year banty. Mranankasa no Yanfa nye Juma and Che Amayashe say. And what be here say, say ye ma your president 3 terms and now 4 terms. Because I feel na ya experimenting first term a barrier. Yen yamra ensisano mra nye sebi utade ene wo panta uyi agu ene okofi obe yu pan wa she ofro enye no mra antisa se mra saka on the Ghana cry constitutional review president must be the started constitutional review and cry senior implement here from 1992 so at the number of decades because I said mra no yen shishe mra no we a say ye testing mra no hwe se mra no e sin to baby at e boy na se e se sakra o de ase yes, I cry. He found a says, I dare swear, eh, Auntie, a dear naba, ye here, tetem. Ye yanko even a full cycle of the 2 terms, ye young ye.
Dabi and Kundu.
Oh, there's here. Am I can so? You see, I know your baby a footballer do a we are no. We are association president, 2 terms, no, near my say, M. Yes, our evidence to that effect. I send it probably. Ebedi president S7 and Obisa Banon 2 times. Nayan said no. On the evidence of a Juma Ohono, ye the Baku Kanwa a year. But we've not gone even one full stretch of the 2 terms. Now the next thing we are thinking about, say, 3 terms. I mean, that it doesn't make sense. The person has ways. Sebi and twice some Yansan Sunim. Because about Sana said, Person me kuminya ene dufudipe o dey say because enye Ghana football no pun 20 nia obenya dia ofu be kese kaputu enti any sika obenya wie ntia. But if that is the case, if that happens, now your football no ebe confirm ebe bre share project and grow for you. Now Ghana football as we speak now your juma be your football na confirm na nia ye dwun say akonya na ebe transfer didi sa no. No, when you do that, you kill your football. And I'm mudi me and that clubs premier club got $25,000. Now me clubs I mean Kasama clubs be review. They are not worth wasting your time on. Clubs no. Most of your clubs CEOs are cheap. Almost cheap, almost like cowards. Bebre mema. Bebre mema na wo manim keke omu nya mema na sa nya no nya mema omu nya kukudo ba kokra Sompa sports de sa kukom na ya bu onim say we neso akoji eda me pese me mema o Ghana football like Harris according Herbert were doing na was when the $25,000 premium for yes, I was so disappointed ba mo kwaji tu
yes.
We are not complaining. There be empty. Near Anamoye to a ebequate omuniano. Oma ese oma. Samupa omkujitum. One ebebre.
Omon ebebre.
And the omo branswa omo banswa ebekike bi achrom. Because mo amuye involved in running football with the munim mo budget. Bra mo bre. Bebre e ka mo di banks din kofo. Fuel amuto amuntu ya kanwe. Now mobile take decisions at Ebema Moaha Mono Debbie. Sa meeting a coed, Sebi. Yanse be any. Sompa sports. RFA for Division 1 for me. RFA they don't run Division 1. Division 1 run Ghana Football Association.
Yes.
RFA run Division 2, Division 3, any codes. They were.
Yes.
The meeting one Division 1 query about RFA is only about 7 years ago. Interest, they are not supposed to. They are being informed.
No crown about to no concern on reason. Say,
inform.
Yeah, queer no. And to your mobile bay and commodity will.
No, I'm also best sorry. I saw my committee say, be are they zombies?
Tis bia ne de wo kan.
Omo ye zombie a remote control mu.
No bia ne de wo kan.
There be nti omo koi.
Omo ka asem no huhu abote be from one omo de kuku.
Enti omo kɔ no ya nkyerɛ sɛ meeting aye be ya ma mo letter. Sɛ agenda dey. Enti eno ana ye frɛ no ama mo momo. Na mo de ache sɛ be o na ntwe omo twa kwan mo ni direction.
Yeah, boss on them ate. Oja Rezale want to aso like ye come. I want you back and ye ya woda. Bana babe to aso etimi da mamuti ye call the tofia akwa bana de akibia. Ato aso amam.
Wujam, mami ni konkonsa kakra. Kakra bi a na wife abibie fridge no mu. Eyi drink bi a wo bottle nkitenkiti bi mu afechire ho.
Aperitivo bit na ne namfo no mabɛsra no a wɔnom ɛnum gya me no.
Drink no akono. Wo se afra ne sɛn? Aperitivo bitter.
And efiri Italy, alcohol nim, spices, fruits and herbs and wɔde ayɛ.
Bɛɛma odi nkonkonsa. Aperitivo bitter. Ebi ni o tom.
Sɛ wɔta ha ya.
Ye, madam, we dey facha me na man kan ye kura. Aperitivo bitter. A three menum. Na menye bi atɔ wɔ he?
Supermarkets.
Ana drinking bars.